Hey folks, some clouds and a cooler day across the valley today than yesterday, courtesy of this morning's front. But the clouds have lingered a bit longer than we expected. They're still out there and should thin out as we go through the nighttime hours. These are the currents: 66 at the beach, 68 Brownsville. Everybody in the same ballpark. You get back to Rio Grande City, a little warmer there at 74 at this hour. Overnight tonight, it's going to be chilly. Temperatures are going to drop all the way into the mid to upper 40s in most of the valley. A little more mild in Brownsville and 61 at the beach. Watch out for a little patchy fog late tonight as the wind turns back around to the southeast by the time you get to tomorrow. With that southeast wind tomorrow, we're back up in the 70s again, just a little warmer than today. The beach stays cooler at 68, but everybody else back in the low 70s. And yes, that southeast wind creates a little bit of a breezy condition for you across the area tomorrow. The normal high this time of year, 70. We're going 74, 81, 84. We're going to be up there pushing the record by the time we get to Friday. Certainly well above that seasonal average for this time of year until the next front gets here, and that's due Friday night into Saturday. And then we'll again hit that reset button and cool temperatures off a little bit for the weekend and early next week. Satellite shows some clouds still kind of lingering across parts of the valley today. You see them moving through during much of the day. There have been some breaks. There's been some blue sky, and then patchy clouds show up again. Overnight tonight, I think we'll probably see a few more patchy clouds show up, and during the daytime tomorrow, partly sunny skies as those winds come up out of the southeast and bring a little more moisture back in. Overnight tomorrow night, patchy clouds again, and during the daytime Thursday, it's a mix of clouds and sunshine, but as we saw, just a little bit warmer, and Friday even warmer than that. So our rain chances look this way. I don't see anything tomorrow, nothing Thursday, nothing during the daytime on Friday, but then Friday night when that next front comes in, we're holding at 20% right now. That number may go up or down a little bit, depends. One model, the European, says there could be some showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm Friday night. Most of the other models say that's probably not going to happen. So we're going to keep a close eye on it and see exactly how that pans out as we get closer to it. In the meantime, across the rest of South Texas, Falfurrias, the warm spot right now at 70, but it's 65 San Antonio and Houston, 67 in Del Rio, Corpus Christi 64, but the readings are about the same all the way across the state, which tells you that this push of cool air that came in behind this morning's front is about done. It's not a big time push of cool air. In fact, readings already start to rebound across the state tomorrow. Cloud-wise, it's been pretty clear across most of the state. We've got the leftover clouds down here, but that's about it. All courtesy of high pressure that will quickly move to the east. And as it does, again, the wind flow turns back out of the southeast tomorrow. That begins the warming trend. Tomorrow warm, Thursday warmer, windy on Thursday as well. Friday even warmer yet as the front kind of slows down for a little while, but the front's due to move through the valley Friday night. Will trigger big-time thunderstorms to the north of us from, let's say, maybe Victoria all the way up into East Texas, including the Houston area. For us, maybe a shower with the front. That's why we get that 20% in there for Friday night. But during the daytime Saturday, it goes away. The chance of rain disappears from the forecast again. So the daytime of the weekend look fine. There you are, 7 o'clock in the morning, 39 San Antonio and Dallas, 41 in Houston. A cold start to the day. Everybody sees at least some sunshine, and most of the state warms in the 60s. We'll be back in the 70s by tomorrow afternoon. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, then patchy clouds, 48, some fog maybe in the morning. Then by afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy, still breezy. Southeast winds 10 to 20. Your high tomorrow around 74. We go 74, 81, 84. Front comes in. Again, we cool it off a little bit, but not dramatically. The weekend looks really nice, partly sunny both days. Highs in the 70s, kind of cool at night. And then next week we're back in the 80s and another front due late Monday, early Tuesday. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.